Hey guys, this is Chef Doll. We just finished food safety and sanitation, and now we are starting Intro to Hospitality. I will tell you this class is a lot different than the Serve Safe. This is kind of a funner class, to be honest. I'll do some lecturing, we'll watch videos. So it's definitely not as intense. We're not going to be blowing through 3 chapters a day in the book. This is a funner class. Promise. So the book you're going to be using is your on cooking book. All right, so that's your big book. We'll be using that book for this class, and we're only going to be doing a few chapters out of there. A lot of it's going to be on videos. This class is a kind of an introduction to the hospitality industry. So you're going to be watching videos of different chefs. You're going to see TED Talks of different things about the hospitality industry. You're going to learn about the hotels, tourism, all of those different things. So it's a fun class. So I kind of wanted to go over the class with you. So again, you're going to use your on cooking book. All right. This class starts tomorrow. We'll say today, April 22nd, Wednesday, and we will go through next Wednesday, April 29th, okay? So this class entails a couple of different things. So there's the homeworks and stuff that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna have your participation grade. If you wanna look through your syllabus, I'm going through your syllabus with you right now. So if you look at your grading criteria, you have a participation grade, which is 20% of your grade, and that will consist of the forums that I have for you, okay? So I'll have different forums and questions for you to ask every day, for me to ask and you to answer. And they're not difficult, so it will be fun. But then you have 4 homeworks. The 4 homeworks are 20% of your grade. So if you look at, when you're looking at Moodle and you look at day 1, I have posted all of your homeworks up there with the dates on them. So your first homework, homework number 1, is going to be questions out of your book, okay? So it's questions out of the professional chapter, your professionalism chapter. So you have that. So there's 7 questions that you'll need to answer, and it's due April 14th by midnight. I tried to make things due by midnight and stuff to make it a little easier for you guys, because some of you guys are in the AM class and some of you guys are the PM. So I'm just trying to make sure that we all are taken care of. So that's your first homework. Your second homework is a personality paper. You'll just need to answer the questions, all right? And that's going to be due on April 27th. The culinary greats paper, that's writing an essay about the culinary great chefs, living or dead, who inspires you, and discuss the contributions to the industry that they've had. So it's a 1-page typed paper that you will write. It's due on the 27th, and you can choose who the chef is, but it needs to be a culinary great and somebody that I can Google online that will tell me, that will have information for. So we have that. So culinary greats, and then your number 4, your homework number 4 is going to be on James Beard. Who he was, why is he important to the industry, and be sure to talk about the James Beard Award. That is due on Tuesday the 28th. So, and we'll go through, if you guys have questions, you can ask me, but that's just kind of a research paper. I would Google him, and you'll find out all the information that you need, okay? The other project, so then you have quizzes. So I think we have 1 quiz. Yeah, we only have 1 quiz, and that's going to be on your professionalism chapter, your brigades, and all of that. And I've got a study guide up already that you can look at and see. And then you have a resume. Your resume is worth 20%, and I've given you a resume template, and all you're going to do is just kind of fill in your information. So when you're looking at the template, you're going to want to fill in your updated email, your updated address. Now, I will tell you this, your email needs to be professional. I've seen a lot of emails in the years that I've been teaching, and a lot of them very unprofessional. So you want to have a professional email address. I've seen some. Ooh, yeah, I've seen some. We'll just put it that way. So you'll pretty much put in your information. You know what? You might be 18 years old and you've never had a job. You do not need to put in your high school, because now your school is Helms College. All right, and you need to put 2 years from now is your graduation date, unless if you're an associate's degree. If you're a diploma degree, you're going to be graduating around this time next year. So you would have that. And then any kind, if you've had jobs, if you've been a part of any kind of volunteer work, if you've been a part of any kind of clubs that are part of the hospitality. So, and I'll go through a little more of that. All right, so that is your resume, which is going to be a part of your final, that is due, and that's due on the 29th by 5 p.m. And that is your, and then your final project is 30% of your grade, okay? And here it's researching a culinary career. So you can kind of choose what you want. I'm letting you choose. A chef, caterer, private chef, food writer, nutritionist, food critic, restaurant owner, food truck owner, food and beverage director, event coordinator, a baker, or a pastry chef, research and development. I know a lot of chefs who are research and development. I know one who is at M&M's and Mars. I know another chef who's one of the research and development chefs for Chick-fil-A. So, you know, there's all kinds of research and development. An instructor, you know, I've been an instructor for 16 years. I was a hotel chef for 15 years. I worked in 4-star hotels and resorts. So, and then country clubs. So I've done all that. And you have country clubs, you have sales, marketing, and so much more. So you can choose, and then you just need to answer those questions. And that is going to be due on your last day of class. That is your final exam. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Makes a lot easier than your 90-question exam you just took, right? So that is your final. And that's kind of the class. So the class is going to be each day. You're going to be looking at your PowerPoints that I've put up. You're going to be listening to the videos, like I have Anthony Bourdain talking about culinary school. I've got a bunch of the culinary greats. Grant Atchis, he does the molecular gastronomy. He's got a couple of restaurants. Alinea, which is one of the top 10 restaurants in the country. You know, so you'll get to see that. You've got the Hilton, careers in hospitality for the Hilton, unique hotels, David Chang, Ugly Delicious. And if you have Netflix, I would go on the Chef's Table and watch them. Some of these guys, it's just, they're awesome. They have all kinds of different chefs on there. It tells about their restaurants or their catering company, all of that, and it just kind of gives a little insight to what a chef is and different chefs. You know, some chefs are high-end, where you're going and you're paying $400 for their meal. And other chefs, you know what, it's a $12 meal. You know, and it's all about the food and the experience. So it really is just kind of giving you an overview of the industry itself. Is this class? So again, I'll have discussion questions every day, and that's the forum for you. And then I've just got stuff on videos on tourism and country clubs and franchising, and all those different things. Okay, so it's a fun 6-day class, and that is your work. So I put all your homeworks on the first day so that you can see what's due and when. I just thought it'd be easy. I have all the dates there for you. So look at that. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Again, the syllabus is on there, and you know what? Whatever you need, let me know. You all have my email address, and From there, if you need my cell, I'll give you my cell. Some of you guys already got it. And if you want to write it down, you can. It is 404-403-8893. So if you need to call me because you have something that's important, call me. But do not call me on a Saturday at 9 o'clock at night for just anything, okay? Again, you know, I give you my cell number so that if you have questions that you want to talk to me, that's fine. But I don't give it to you for you to just kind of call me whenever you want to, okay? And again, you know, whatever you guys need, I am here. I know the online is different, but I'll tell you this class is kind of a fun online class because you're just watching videos. So if you need anything, let me know, and I will start our first chapter on professionalism, okay? And so you can start reading that chapter, and we'll get to it. All right, thanks. Have a great day.